Hey you all, this is Val and welcome back for another video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are here right now with me, give me a big thumbs up right now because the sister me kind of slack up. So the sister be up on camera again, so give me a thumbs up and yes, and say yes man, I want to be more consistent. I want to see you more often. Anyway guys, today what I'm gonna be doing some shrimp. Yes, some nice curry shrimp in coconut milk. So I'm gonna see if stay with me and I'm gonna see how I prepare it and put it together nice for you all, alright? Yes, so here are all my lovely ingredients. Here's my shrimp. You know, I have to wash the shrimp, use a little vinegar. You can use lemon, lime, but I have vinegar, so that is what I'm gonna be using to keep that rawness. Yes. So these are all my ingredients. You know, I have my onion, thyme, ginger, garlic, pepper, carrot, sweet pepper, red and green. You know, I want it to look colorful and nice, and yes, I have a little curry. Nothing too much. I'm not gonna be using nothing too much, but I have to have a little salt. Yes. I'm using black pepper. Yeah. Oh yes, I have to have my coconut milk. And I'm gonna use a little butter. Alright? Yes, so I am going to wash my shrimp. This is a vinegar, you know. Let it soak a bit before putting any water on it to kill the rawness. Yeah. Good job. Wash it on a washer and a season. Yeah man, the rawness die immediately. Dead. And train it. Alright. So I kill the rawness right there and then. My veggies and all my ingredients, and my seasoning. Using some ginger, but not too much ginger, you know. Something that need a lot of flavor. They are not hard to flavor. Shrimp, fish, and a whole. I love something there, you know. Quick and fast, and then okay, season. We need some garlic. Nothing too much. You just need 2 pegs of garlic. First, shrimp there. Amount of shrimp is about 1.5 pounds. So I'm just using 2 pegs of garlic. I'm gonna be grating my garlic, so I'm not crushing it. Grate the garlic. My onion is already washed. With the carrot, I'm gonna julienne the carrot. I'm not cutting it in circles. I'm gonna do it long way like this. in. Time. Kind of spicy, but not too spicy. It's a small amount of ginger. This amount is good. So we need a little salt. 1 teaspoon or less. Depends on the salt too, you know, the amount of salt you like. You can use less than a teaspoon. Alright. For my shrimp, I'm going to need salt and black pepper for now. Okay. So, a little butter. Cut it down, slender, thin. So it will be so easy to cook. Alright. So we have to make the flavors come out and then we can put in the curry. Like, you know, we want some of this flavor to come out first. And then we put in our curry. Alright then. Smells so good. Wow. So let's put in some curry. I'm going to use this kind of tablespoon. Yeah. A little more butter now. Just a little bit. Then we can put add in our coconut milk. It smells so awesome. Wow. I'm trying to eat it right now. in our coconut milk. We're going to put 2 grains of pimento. Nothing too much. Added flavor. Let this cook for 5 minutes before adding my shrimp. You know, let all the flavors come out, the coconut milk and everything come together nicely before adding the shrimp to it. Add the shrimp to it. Yeah, we have to taste the sauce, you know. We have to taste our sauce, but not now. Right? Let it simmer first. And we cannot put any salt because remember we don't season the shrimp with salt already. So at the end, when we're gonna take it off, when the shrimp finish cooking everything, you can always taste our pot. You understand? Yeah, we're not gonna put any salt as yet. Alright then. Guys, if you all could just smell the aroma. Wow. But anyway, I'm gonna start with my shrimp now. Oh my god, the sauce is to die for. Liquid gold. Oh my god. Maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, but you know you have to cook properly, the curry and everything you have to cook properly first before adding our shrimp. Before we add our shrimp, because you know shrimp don't take a long time to cook. So everything has to cook first before. Should they cook first, you know? You know what I mean? So we're gonna cook the shrimp now for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, and then we're good to go. Oh my gosh. So come and taste. You cannot taste as yet, you know? Let it cook first and then taste the pot. Alright, so now it's time to taste. Tasting time. Look at this goodness. Look at the sauce. Wow. Taste. Just want a little bit more black pepper and a little tip of salt. Right? And we are good to go. Just a little pinch. As I said, cannot put any salt until time come to turn off the stove because we don't want the shrimp to be salty. Because we already seasoned it with salt, okay? Alright. When I taste the pot, you know, you can't cook nine. Wow, a little pinch of salt goes a long, long way. So guys, we're gonna turn off. Turn off. Look at the sauce. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. Stove and some steam rice over there. I'm going to share a plate. Yes guys, yes, I am here. I am at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell. I want to know it tastes enough. Look at it, just look. Let's take a look. Oh my god, thanks again for watching. See you all in the next video, and bye.